Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome to another vlog. So we are moving in literally 3 days from today, and we have already started packing, and we have also moved few stuff, like few little stuff from ourselves. But movers will be arriving in next 2 days, so we have to pack everything. And tomorrow we have scheduled the Griha Pravesh Puja. It's not like a big event, it's just a small event. And for those of you who are not familiar, Griha Pravesh is a Hindu puja which is performed before you enter the house. So we have it scheduled for tomorrow, and I have to get a few stuff for the puja, and I have to pack the remaining house. And today I'm thinking of starting with kitchen, because kitchen is the thing which takes most of the time, at least in my personal experience. I have been moving from last 5 years every year, so I know like it takes a lot of time. So I'm thinking of starting with kitchen. That way, if something is remaining, I will still have 2 days to complete. So yeah, tomorrow is puja, and I'm thinking of vlogging in the puja as well. I don't have much people to help me during the puja, so we'll see how it goes. I also got email that our refrigerator and washer dryer is getting delivered tomorrow. They give you generally a window when they are delivering, so ours is by 10 to 1, I believe, and we have to be there. So early morning before 10, I'm planning to be at our new place. And yeah, let's just start packing and just see the current condition. Like, I have boxes everywhere. Half of the things I'm not able to find where it is right now, but we'll pack everything and make this nice, clean and empty. Guys, so we are done with the puja, and we had some friends over. They came and everything was just got so busy that I totally forgot to vlog. But we had Griha Pravesh Puja, which is a Hindu ceremony. If you are Indian, you must be aware of it, but if in case you are somebody who is not from India and watching this video, it's a Hindu ceremony which is performed when basically you enter a new house, and they just summon a lot of different gods, and it's just so beautiful, very meaningful ceremony. This is the first time I'm doing this in my life, and the panditji was like really nice and thorough, and he was explaining everything, like what he was saying, he was chanting like different mantras and all. So he was explaining us like what every mantras mean, and everything was like so beautiful. And we also got our refrigerator today and washer dryer as well. We'll go to our apartment, pack everything, and movers are coming the next day. So yeah, we have to get done with packing ASAP. Guys, so this is another day, and yesterday I packed all my kitchen. Today movers are coming, so I got myself a bagel, and this is the only thing which keeps me full for the longer period of time. So I was like, okay, let's eat this. And this is just cheddar jalapeno with garden veggie spread, and this is one of my favorite. And for me, it's so hard to eat this because my teeth are like all over the place because of Invisalign, and then when I bite, it's like very weird. So like usually it will take me like, for example, 5 minutes, but now it's taking me 10 minutes to eat. So yeah, and then it hurts as well. So yeah, that is the cons of having Invisalign. But the best part is my teeth is getting aligned very nicely now. If you are interested, I have done a video. I'm gonna link it here so that you can go ahead and have a look. If you are someone who is interested in getting Invisalign, I've shared everything there. We went to Home Depot to get the bigger boxes, the heavy duty bigger boxes, because in the end, if you have anything left, you just take everything and dump it in. I have a few things remaining in the closet right now, and the bathroom is not done at all. And still the bed needs to get disassembled. like boxes everywhere now. We still have some of the things remaining in our apartment, so we'll go back and take those things. Some plants are remaining and some little stuff, and we are just sitting and chilling. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah, we are really very tired. I'm so glad that we found those people. We packed by ourselves and they helped us move, and I'm so thankful for them because yeah, it was not easy, and with everything going on, it's so hard to find people who are ready to work for you. Even if you pay more, nobody is available right now. So I'm so glad that we found one. Yogi, come here. Come here. योगी चले
चलते हैं।
नहीं रुको 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 Yogi, do you wanna play? Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. He gets so happy in the grass. So I'm gonna line the cabinets here. I need few stuff in my bathroom. If I don't do it right now, it will never be done. So I thought whenever I'm opening any box, I'm gonna line the cabinet and then put the stuff in. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it was perfect. So this is how the liner looks like, and I feel like I need a double-sided tape so that it is all nice in here in the corner. Okay, this will just protect the wood beneath. I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. Some people say. So I got myself ready, and that's because I have a live event with Sprouts, which is pretty exciting today evening. The plumber is coming because we had a little bit of leak in the kitchen sink, so he'll come and fix that. And right now I'm still in my PJs because everything is still packed. So I'll go to the garage and bring some boxes, and hopefully I'll find something to wear. So we were not moving like very far from our previous place. It's just, I would say, 40 minutes away. So this is how I packed my closet. Like, I took a trash bag and then I just put everything inside. So this way I don't have to take out every piece of cloth from a box. So this way I can just hang everything in here. Ow, it's heavy. Heavy. Oh, yeah. I got this trash bag, and without much effort, every cloth is in hanger. I don't know where I picked this tip from, but definitely very helpful. I'm thinking of color coding it, so we'll see maybe in future, but not right now. Okay guys, so I found something to wear, and I do have to do some laptop work now to prep for the live event which I was talking about. I have to get some links and some details for that. And as you can see, we haven't set the kitchen properly, and we will do it maybe this weekend. Weekdays are generally very busy for both of us, so whatever I need, thank God that I have labeled my boxes. I am able to find whatever I need. And I've also placed order for a spice jar. The previous ones were like so dirty, and yeah, they were just old, and the lids were like all old, and like I don't want them now. So I ordered new. Hopefully I'll be getting it by tomorrow, and then definitely on Sunday I'm gonna open everything and organize things here. Hey guys, so we picked up our plants, and this apartment is all nice and empty now. Currently I'm having mixed emotions. I believe this place was so lucky for me professionally and personally. I have grown as a person and also in my career. If you see, this is a pretty small space. So where I'm standing right now, this was our living room, and that was the entry here entry, and this was our kitchen. So in total this apartment is only 800 square feet, but I'm so thankful that I was able to create content. This was the place here where I used to create all my reels, and yeah, just having mixed emotions here. And I have heard so many people living in the houses having more than 3,000 square feet space still complaining about the space when it comes to creating content. And this is the reason why I'm sharing this thing with you, because it's a fairly small space, and I was able to create content, build my business from ground up. So yeah, this is just a reminder for those of you who want to create content online and have space issues. Be creative and it's gonna be better. Believe in yourself and you will grow, I promise, because I can do it, you can totally do it. So yeah, this space was like totally very lucky for us, and I pray and I believe that this will be really lucky for the next person who is coming here. I will just soak it in a little bit and say goodbye to this space. Okay, so let me give you a little tour, because even though this space was small, I absolutely loved living here. Okay, so this is what you see when you enter. So this was our kitchen, that was our living room. Here we had coat closet. I have few shoes here. Donate these to Goodwill, so I'll pick it up while leaving. This space right here was laundry, washer and dryer, and I have few magazines there, which again I will pick it up while leaving. And this was a little space here, and the kitchen was the best part. I absolutely loved creating meals here. Here was our patio. It was very small, but then I'm happy that I had at least a patio. And this was our bedroom. As you can see, here I did some bookshelves and I need to fill these holes again. And then when you walk here, this was our closet. So this was Nitin's side and this was my side, obviously the bigger one. And again, I have few stuff here. This is going to donation. And then when you walk here, here was our beautiful bathroom. Let me turn on the lights. Yeah, this was the bathroom. I loved it. And the best part about this one was we had a standing shower, which is pretty uncommon. You'll get a tub, and here we had our linen closet. Ooh, we have to pick this up. Glad I decided to do apartment tour. So yeah, I'll pick these up. All right, you guys, this was our little space, and yeah, I loved this space. Like, we have been renting from past so many years, and by far this was my most favorite apartment. And yeah, anyway, time to say goodbye. I think it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, and we need to drive a little far, so I think I should leave probably. And yeah, I will catch up with you super soon.